السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our lesson today called Area of Rectangles. The last lesson called Measure Area, and we learned that we can measure area by count the number of square units covered by the shape or by the figure. Area is the number of square units needed to cover a region or figure. It's measured in square units. Okay. And we said we have another way to measure area. Area equal length multiplied by width. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Also, its opposite sides are equal. 2 opposite sides are the same length. Okay. This is the rectangle. It's a 2-dimensional shape. 4 sides. 2 opposite sides, each 2 opposite sides are the same length. This is a rectangle, length and width. I have 2 sides, one side is the length and the other side is the width. Okay? How we can measure area of a rectangle? We can measure area of a rectangle by multiply A equal L multiplied by W. A is the area. L is the length, W is the width. We can find the area of the rectangle using this rule. A equal L multiplied by W. Area equals length by width or length multiplied by width. Look here, grade 3. This is the comparison between the area and the perimeter. Area, length times width is area. Length times width is area. Length times width is area. Areas the whole inside. Use square units to measure it. Use square units to measure it. Use square units to measure it. Area uses square units. Perimeter song. Perimeter is around. Perimeter is around, yes. And you add up all the sides. You add up all the sides. This is the comparison between area and the perimeter. Area length by width. Perimeter add up all the sides. Perimeter is around. Area square units cover the figure. Open now with your teacher. Okay. Chapter 13, lesson 6, page 785. Area of rectangles. Okay. Again, lesson 6, chapter 13, page 785. We will finish today 2 pages, and tomorrow inshallah we have also 2 pages. Okay, there is no homework today. The homework will be tomorrow. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Example number 1. A park manager is building a small rectangular playground. Okay, this rectangular playground will be 10 meters by 7 meters. Length and width 10 and 7. Its area will be covered with shredded tires. What is the area of the playground? Okay. Tile a rectangle with unit squares. It is 10 units square long and 7 unit squares wide. Okay. Each unit square represents 1 square meter. Count the unit square. There are how many? If I am going to count the unit square one by one, it will be 70. Yes. Okay. But we have another way now, and we have an easy way. Instead of counting the squares, we have another way. Multiply the side length. Multiply the length by the width. 10 multiplied by 7. Area will be 70. Area is measured in square units. In this case, it's measured in square meters. We can write 70 meters square or square meters. So the area of the playground is 70 square meters. You can check by using repeated addition. We can check multiplication by repeated addition. Yes, I need to add 10 7 times. It will be also 70. So you have to write 70 because the area here is 70 square meters. In the perimeter, the answer will be only meter, but here we have square meters or meters square. Okay, finish. Turn the page. I think that our lesson today is so easy. A formula is an equation that shows the relationship between two or more quantities. A formula uses letters to represent the quantities. You can use a formula to find the area of a rectangle. Okay, this is called formula. A equal L multiplied by W. To find area of a rectangle, words. I am here in key concepts, area of a rectangle, words. To find area A of a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. The formula will be like that, A equal L multiplied by W. You have to remember it well, because you will use this to answer all the exercise about finding area of a rectangle. Now I have a rectangle in exercise number 2 or example number 2. Find the area of a rectangle 5 and 9, okay? Length and width. Area is equal L multiplied by W. This is the area formula. I will remove L and write 9, remove W and write 5. Now, the length is 5 feet and the width is 5. The length, is 9 feet and the width is 5 feet. 9 multiplied by 5, the answer will be 45. Area is measured in square units. In this case, it's measured in square feet. You will not write only feet, square feet or feet square. The area is what? 45 square feet. Take care that the unit of area, we need to use the word square. Meter and meter 2 times, it means square meters. Feet and feet, square feet or feet square. The guided practice down, find the area of each rectangle. The first rectangle 6 inch 2 inch. A equal L multiplied by W. 6 multiplied by 2 equal 12. 12 square inches or 12 inch square. Take care, because inch multiplied by inch, we must like that. We must write not 12 inches same like the perimeter. We must write 12 square inches or 12 inch square. Down, area is L multiplied by W. 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equal 9. 9 square meter or 9 meter square. We must write it like that. Teacher, this is a square, not a rectangle. A square is a type of rectangles, okay? Square considered as a type of rectangle. We will multiply the two sides together. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. The area is 9 square meters or 9 meters square. So we can find the area of the square of the rectangle by multiply length by width, and it must be in square. Whatever, meter, square meter, inch, square inch, feet, square feet, okay? Centimeter, square centimeters, okay? There is no homework today. Tomorrow we'll complete the next 2 pages, okay? The lesson is easy. Just memorize the formula for the area.